This is the best thing I got from Black Friday at Walmart. The Rival Cafetera, otherwise known as the single cup coffee maker. See that? This is like a regular one here, and this will be the one at Walmart. See how tiny it is? Look how tiny that thing is. Real tiny. It's better than a Keurig. Who wants a Keurig? I just paid $4 for this thing. Go ahead, open it up. That's the little filter. It's a permanent filter. You don't throw this away. Drains in there. Put it there. Put the water. Put the cup right there. Turn it on. Put it in there. You go, see? I use it for like single cups of brews or whatever. You got this too, but you see how little it is? It won't fit there. So you just let it brew there, and it should position in the camera that you can hear it brewing already. You can make teas, coffees, and different stuff in there if you want to. There's a little extender thing for big cups like this one. Should have put it there first. You can do is just put it there. Put it there. It's just this little thing. See that? Right there. It's perfect. And that's the mini cup brew, single serve. You don't have to buy a Keurig.